Hello, wish you all a very happy Mahashivaratri. My name is Aryan Vijay. Today I'll be singing Shiva Panchakshara Stotra. Om Namo Namo Namah Shivaya. Om Namo Namo Namah Shivaya. Om Namo Namo Namah Shivaya. Asmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Nagendraraya Trilochanaya Asmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya Nagendraraya Trilochanaya Asmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Mandakini Salila Chandana Chachitaya Nandishvara Pramodanada Maheshwaraya Mandakini Salila Chandana Chachitaya Nandishvara Pramodanada Maheshwaraya Mandara Mukhya Bahu Pushpa Supujitaya Tasmai Makaraya Namah Shivaya Mandara Mukhya Bahu Pushpa Supujitaya Tasmai Makaraya Namah Shivaya Nagendra Haraya Trilochanaya Pasmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Shivaya Gauri Vadanaravinda Suryaya Dakshadvara Nashakaya Shivaya Gauri Vadanaravinda Suryaya Dakshadvara Nashakaya Srinilakantaya Vrishabhatvajaya Tasmai Shikaraya Namah Shivaya Srinilakantaya Vrishabhatvajaya Tasmai Shikaraya Namah Shivaya Nagendra Haraya Trilochanaya Pasmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Vasishta Kumbhodbhava Gautamadya Munindra Devachita Chekaraya Vasishta Kumbhodbhava Gautamadya Munindra Devachita Shekaraya Chandrarka Vaishvanara Lochanaya Tasmai Vakaraya Namah Shivaya Chandrarka Vaishvanara Lochanaya Tasmai Vakaraya Namah Shivaya Nagendraraya Trilochanaya Pasmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Yajnaswarupaya Jatadaraya Pinakahastaya Sanatanaya Yajnaswarupaya Jatadaraya Pinakahastaya Sanatanaya Divyaya Devaya Digambaraya Tasmai Yakaraya Namah Shivaya Divyaya Devaya Digambaraya तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्माङ्गरागाय महेश्वराय नमः शिवाय 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 पञ्चाक्षरमिदं पुण्यं यः पठे शिवसन्निधौ शिवलोकमवाप्नोति शिवेन सह मोदते. Thank you.